Ew, did you hear that? Like my nostril. If my lips look blue, it's because I had like candy and it was blue. So I'm going to be filming a room cleanup because you know what? It's fun, it's flirty. You can see my sweatpant ass. It's just really good. I haven't cleaned my room in maybe 2 days and it's a little messy, and you know, I've been out all day, so this is what it looks like right now. Patrick just left, so my bed always looks like this whenever he leaves, and so does his bag of clothes. So I can't do laundry because my dog is sick right now and we're keeping her in the laundry room because she's been pooping everywhere. So the laundry room is like the only place that has tile in my entire house, or apartment I should say. So that thing is gonna be messy, but I can clean everything else. Also, I am currently going through a lovely skin rash. Like, it's so dry. Like, that's why I'm not wearing makeup right now. I mean, it actually doesn't look that dry right now, but it's like flaky all right here. I'm taking antibiotics for my skin because I have like, yes, you know, pimples. Antibiotics made them worse. I haven't broken out that bad in like a year. But you know, it has to get worse before it gets better. So let's clean up. This is the before of this thing. This is this. I cleaned this out recently because it was really bothering me. This is my like junk drawer kind of, where I quickly grab stuff and keep like my gum and like extra jewelry, because my everyday jewelry is up here and it's a mess. This I organized recently too. We're just gonna clean out the exterior of my stuff. Why'd the lighting get like normal now? Like, I think it's if I don't know, it's kind of weird. Okay, so I just made my bed. Now I have to go through this lovely bag. I went to my orientation today, and then after it I went to Pink because I had a coupon and I bought myself these lovely sweatpants. I've been wanting like sweatpants like this. Let's hope I don't like hit my head. Like, look at how cute they are. They're like exactly like what I want. They're really soft. I got a medium. I just have like the letters pink on the side. And then I got something at Bath & Body Works, so it's not really that fun. But anyway, I work at Urban now. You know what? Once you got it, you have to flaunt it. Just kidding. I'm gonna hopefully not fail. I've officially made this drawer kind of messy, which is really annoying. Since I just wanted to clear up the top, I throw in what I normally keep in here. I have to put Aquaphor all over my face, and then I have like my, literally everything's just drying out on me right now. So I have the cardigan I wore today. Just anyway, washing that. Then I just wore my Brandy skirt. I'm gonna wash these. I always wear Nike Pros under stuff. If you guys think I'm gross because I don't wash things the first time I wear them, sorry, I don't want to waste a ton of water on a washing machine. Sorry. My wallet and a lip balm, which I'm really excited about. This is out of my room, including this. Can you tell I'm a shopaholic? I love buying stuff. I have a random chip clip, which is really fun. And I was supposed to wear these socks on the last home game for Patrick's football, and I didn't because I forgot. And they were covered under a pile of clothes, so I guess I'm gonna wear them next week. So, oops, almost broke my camera. It's beautiful. This is clean, pretty much, minus those two out. This, I normally just keep everything I just threw in my backpack on here, and this is my laptop case. It's really cute and tiny and just minimalistic and not that protective, but I keep that on there. And normally clothes I have to put away, I like throw there. So that has to go in my backpack, but I'm gonna tackle Patrick's bag. Okay. This cleanup was a little quick because it didn't really take much to clean. I think I'm gonna film the organization part of like my closets tomorrow because I finally just cleaned it a little bit. But yeah, I have this closet That is my winter closet and like accessories. I have my belts and stuff. And this closet is overall storage, winter, and PJs and boots. Basically right here is where all my boots are. You can't see them because they're covered, but they're there. I just recently took some of these clothes out from that closet and put it into here because I needed more space in there because it was looking a little cluttered in like my long sleeves. But yeah, I just kind of want to organize this a little bit more. My coats are already organized, like they have not moved. All of my like favorite ones are at the front so I can grab them, and then all the ones I don't really like are in the back. So then cardigans and sweaters, just stuff like that, are on this side. I just want to organize this, make it look better, fold my PJs. So yeah, and you guys will be proud. This is so cute. I don't know if you guys saw this in like some of my vlogs or not, but it had all of those Urban Outfitter bags everywhere and I just didn't like it, so I finally just kept it to like my just black purses. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching this part. I was about to end the video and I was like, wait, continuing tomorrow.